So hello, we were doing the complete course for SEBI Grade A here, and we have already started with our phase 1 ka paper 1, and in this general awareness. In general awareness, we have already completed 2 chapters. Those 2 chapters were Financial System and Regulators and SEBI. Now we are here at chapter 3, that is Capital Market Basics. Moreover, you will get all the PDFs free of cost on the Telegram, that is EDOASTRA, as well as some additional important notes, supplementary notes for this exam as well as the other exams. At the same time, new notifications about different exams and different content and free courses. So go and join it. At the same time, the conduct is going to be the same. First, we'll take the entire theory. After that, we'll take some of the previous year question from this chapter, and then we'll move to our practice MCQs with answers. And then finally, we'll talk about our flashcards or our revision or our most expected questions. So let's start with the chapter 3, that is Capital Markets Basics. Now what this chapter covers: subtopics and scope: securities market basics, equity, preference, shares, debt instruments, then primary market, your IPOs, FPOs, OFS, book building, ASBA, merchant bankers. Now what are all these? You will know all this before the chapter ends. Then secondary market, stock exchanges, trading mechanisms, settlement cycles. Then market participants, investors, brokers, market makers, institutional investors, all of these are who जो market में participants हैं. Market indices, Sensex, sensitive index, then Nifty, then sectoral and global indices, then collective investment schemes, that is mutual funds, ETFs, REITs and InvITs, then regulations and oversight, SEBI's role in capital market supervision. So securities market basics definition: securities market is a mechanism for trading financial instruments, enabling fund mobilization, risk sharing and price discovery. What is securities market basics? So security market is a mechanism for क्या करने के लिए, trading financial instruments, enable करने के लिए fund mobilization, move from one place to the other, and risk sharing and price discovery. Then types of instruments, very important: equity shares, that is ownership in a company, how much shares that you have in a particular company, so that is ownership in a company. Preference shares, fixed dividend priority over equity. Debentures and bonds, long term debt instruments. Derivatives, futures, options for hedging and speculation. So mutual funds and ETFs, that is exchange traded funds. Pooled investment vehicles, REITs and InvITs. क्या होता है? We'll see it. Investment in real estate or infrastructure assets. Primary market, the primary market deals with new issues of securities. Important aspects: IPO, initial public offering. You must have heard a lot of times, अभी थोड़ी टाइम पहले बोट, तो उससे पहले लेंसकार्ट was also talking about this. So all of that was initial public offering, first time equity issue to public. First time, that's why initial. issue करते हैं equity किसको? Public, normal people go. So that's why initial public offering, first time equity issue to public. FPO, follow on public offering, additional shares by already listed company. already listed company है but उन्हें additional shares चाहिए, तो that is follow on public offering. All of these points are very important. You will get direct questions. OFS, offer for sale, promoters stake sale through exchange. Book building process, price discovery mechanism. ASBA, application supported by blocked amount, secure application process. Merchant bankers, facilitate issuance and compliance. Then secondary market definition, market where existing securities are traded, that's why it is known as secondary market. ठीक है, secondary market, why? Because market where existing securities are traded, the securities which are already existing, those securities are traded, that's why secondary market. Key components are stock exchanges, that is NSE and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. Trading mechanisms, electronic order driven markets. Settlement cycle, T+1, T+2, T+3. What are these +1 +2 +3? So these are days depending on instrument. ठीक है, T plus 1, T plus 2, T plus 3. These are National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Then clearing corporations guarantee settlement, reduce counterparty risk. Then market participants, retail investors, FIIs, foreign institutional investment. Domestic institutions, brokers. Then market participants, participant and role, retail investor, individual buyer or seller. Then institutional investor, mutual funds, insurance, pension funds. Broker or sub-broker facilitate trading. Market makers provide liquidity for securities. And depositors, what is the role? Hold securities in demat form, NSDL and CDSL. Now what are these NSDL and CDSL? So NSDL is National Securities Depository Limited, and CDSL is Central Depository Services Limited. Then market indices, Sensex 30 companies, Bombay Stock Exchange. Nifty 50 companies, National Stock Exchange. Sectoral indices, banking, pharma, IT, FMCG. What is the full form of FMCG? Fast moving, you will tell me. Consumer good. Then global indices, Dow Jones, FTSE, Nikkei. So these are global indices. Dow Jones is of USA. Then FTSE or FTSE, UK, 100 companies. In USA, Dow Jones, 30 companies. And Nikkei is Japanese. Very, very important. Keep this in mind. Then collective investment schemes. So mutual funds pool money, invest in equities, bonds. ETFs, exchange traded funds, track indices traded on exchanges. तो नाम से पता चल रहा है traded on exchanges, that's why exchange traded funds. REITs, that is real estate investment trust, income generating real estate. Then InvITs, that is INVITs, infrastructure investment trust. InvITs, infrastructure investment trust, infrastructure projects के लिए. Then regulation and oversights. So SEBI regulates capital markets, registration of brokers, merchant bankers, mutual funds. Then continuous disclosure norms, LODR. So this is listing obligations and disclosure requirements. Then investor protection, circulars, alerts, ombudsman, recent reforms, digital trading platform, surveillance reporting framework. Now let's come to our some of the previous year question from this chapter. Differentiate primary versus secondary market. आइडेंटिफाई मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट्स, जो हमने लिस्ट देखी इनमें से कौन सा नहीं है पार्टिसिपेंट्स की, हमने लिस्ट देखी थी. देन फीचर्स ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, इक्विटी, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, बॉन्ड्स. फंक्शंस ऑफ मर्चेंट बैंकर्स, डिपॉजिटर्स. देन इंडेक्स कंपोजिशन एंड बेसिक्स, सेंसेक्स देखा हमने, निफ्टी देखा, BSE, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. एट द सेम टाइम हमने देखा FTSE and others. So all are very very important. Now some of the practice MCQs which are very very important. The primary market deals with trading existing securities, new issues of securities, derivative contracts या bond redemption. So the answer is new issues of securities. IPO stands for initial public offer, initial public offering, investment promotion offer, internal public option. So initial public offering जो हमने बात की थी, Lenskart and बोट. इनिशियल फर्स्ट टाइम जब लेंगे वो फंड, सो दैट इज इनिशियल पब्लिक, पब्लिक से ऑफरिंग. FPO इज इशूड बाय only new companies, already listed companies, government only, या private bank? So the answer is already listed companies. ठीक है, follow on. Then ASBA is automated securities bank application supported by blocked account amount, advanced stock banking agreement या asset security balance account. So the answer is application supported by blocked amount. Then merchant bankers provide loans, facilitate security issuance, regulate exchanges, conduct monetary policy. So the answer is facilitate security issuance. You tell me one thing, what is insurance penetration? You will tell me this. Then secondary market is new securities market, existing securities market, government securities only, or bond issuance market. So the answer is existing securities market is secondary market. Then NSE stands for National Securities Exchange, New Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, National Savings Exchange. Stock है national and exchange है, so National Stock Exchange. Sensex represents 50 companies, 30 companies, all NSE listed companies, banking sector only. So हमने देखा था कितना 30 companies. Nifty represents 50 companies, 30 companies, all BSE companies are sectoral companies, 50 companies. ETFs are traded like mutual funds only, traded on stock exchanges only, debt instruments, non-regulated. So the answer is traded on stock exchange. Then REITs invest in bonds only, real estate, infrastructure projects only, and mutual funds. So the answer is हमने पढ़ा था किसके लिए, real estate. Then InvITs are related to banking deposits, infrastructure projects, foreign currency or mutual funds. So infrastructure projects. Then depositories in India are NSE and BSE, NSDL and CDSL, RBI, SEBI or ICICI and HDFC. So the answer is NSDL and CDSL. What is domestic systemically important banks? And all name all the banks जो हैं इसमें, ठीक है. You will answer this. Domestic systemically important banks, what is this? And name those banks जो इसमें हैं. Then the answer here was our B, that is NSDL and CDSL. Then market makers primary role is issue securities, provide liquidity, regulate banks, conduct monetary policy. So the answer is provide liquidity. Then continuous disclosure obligations are under Companies Act, SEBI, LODR. Then LODR is listing obligations disclosure requirements, RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act. So the answer is SEBI, LODR. Then mutual funds pool money to invest in only equity, equities, bonds and instruments, physical commodities only, gold only. So the answer is equities, bond and instruments. Secondary market settlement cycles are T+1, T+2, T+0 only, T+7, none of the so हमने देखा था T+1, T+2, that is कितना +1, +2, these are days. Then OFS is related to government stake sale, new issue of shares, debt issuance, features trading. So answer is government stake sale. Preference shares provide ownership, fixed dividend, no dividend, regulatory power. So fixed dividend. Capital market instruments include T, treasury bills only, bonds, equity derivatives, savings account only, या insurance policy. So the answer is bonds, equity and derivatives. Now let's come to our flashcard or our most expected question or our revision. Concept and key idea. Primary market is new issues of securities. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी का है ट्रेडिंग एग्जिस्टिंग सिक्योरिटीज़ का क्या है, सेकेंडरी मार्केट. न्यू इश्यूज ऑफ सिक्योरिटी प्राइमरी मार्केट, न्यू इश्यूज एंड ट्रेडिंग एग्जिस्टिंग सिक्योरिटी जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट कर रही है सिक्योरिटीज़ उनका ट्रेड इज सेकेंडरी मार्केट. IPO फर्स्ट टाइम पब्लिक इक्विटी इशुएंस, इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग. FPO additional equity issue by listed company. OFS promoter stake sale via exchange. ASBA application supported by blocked amount. Merchant bankers facilitate issuance and compliance. Then NSE is National Stock Exchange, BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. Sensex 30 companies, Bombay Stock Exchange. Nifty 50 companies, NSE. कैसे याद रखोगे 30 50, निफ एफ और एफ से शुरू होगा 50, ठीक है, एफ से 50 है, निफ में एफ, तो 50 कंपनीज. एंड सेंसेक्स इज 30 कंपनीज, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. NSE NSE National Stock Exchange. ETFs, traded on exchange index tracking, exchange traded funds. Then REITs, real estate investment. Real estate से related is REITs. InvITs, infrastructure related, so infrastructure investment. Depositories NSDL and CDSL जो हमने पढ़ा था. Now that's it in this. You'll find a lot of PDFs related to this exam, this PDF as well as the other exams. If you need help in some specific subject in some other exam or this exam, do tell me and try to provide you with the same supplementary notes. At the same time, you'll get all of these notes on the Telegram. The name is EDUSTRA. And that's it in this. All the very best and thank you.